Spoken to multiple law enforcement sources. This information is preliminary. We can't confirm the numbers, but I'm being told by multiple law enforcement sources that there are, in fact, multiple fatalities from this incident. One source tells me that the suspect entered the bike lane at Houston Street along the West Side Highway there, entered the bike lane at Houston Street and drove his pickup truck down that bike lane, striking pedestrians and people on bikes all the way to Chambers Street, where there are reports that he got out of the vehicle and began firing a weapon. There are, again, reports of fatalities. I'm told there may be fatalities from this truck hitting people on bicycles. There may be fatalities from the shooting. There's still officers on the scene trying to sort this out. But again, officers telling me that the suspect is in custody and that the bomb squad is now checking out the vehicle to make sure that it's not booby-trapped in some way with explosives. So they have located the suspect, located his vehicle, and are now tending to the injured and apparently perhaps wounded along that path of carnage as it's being described.